The Supreme Court is set to decide on the controversial reproductive health law next month. A study shows most women in the poorest barangay of Quezon City want to plan their families, but access to health facilities and contraceptives remains a problem. G. Geronimo reports.
At 19 years old, Miracle Pacheco is already a mother of 3. She eloped with her boyfriend when she was 14 and came back to Payatas with their first child. Miracle did not want a second child, nor a third. But she says it can't be helped since she keeps forgetting to take her pills.
Natry ko rin mag-pills pero IUD hindi pa. Kasi sabi nila nakakatakot daw kasi mag-IUD.
Sino mga nagsasabi sa inyo?
Sabi nila yung ibang nakaranas na. Tapos sabi naman na iba masakit. Pero mahirap daw mag-IUD. Gusto ko sana sa NG kasi meron kasi ako nakikitang injectable, may tumataba. Hiyangan nga naman, di ba? Hindi ako hiyang. Lalo po akong pumaya, tas nag-dry po yung ano ko. Tinigil ko na lang po.
She swears the baby in her womb will be her last. They can't afford the fourth one. Her partner's only income is scavenging. A study shows many women in Payatas want to plan their families, but they still end up with unwanted pregnancies. While most of them are Catholics, they don't think using contraceptives is a sin, despite the church's stand. Antonieta Innumerable of the city's health department says their main source of contraceptives is the Barangay Health Center.
Actually, kahit wala yung RH bill, tatayo rin ang Quezon City. Dahil meron kaming sarili naming ordinansa na nauna pa nga ang Quezon City kaysa dun sa RH bill.
Innumerable says supply remains a problem despite Quezon City's ordinance on reproductive health. The current budget is not enough. The city needs 200 million for its reproductive health program, but only 14 million is allotted this year. It's a sum the reproductive health law can provide and more if the Supreme Court decides to uphold its constitutionality.
Gusto niyang gawin sa akin para hindi na masundan kagad. Si Mera po kasi pagka marami sunod-sunod eh. Hindi ka man lang maka-enjoy na malaki ni mga anak mo, meron na naman.
Miracle has decided, despite fears, she'll use an IUD. She's been told it's safe and low maintenance. The women of Payatas know their reproductive health needs, but they call on their government to provide it for them. Will the government listen to them when it decides on the RH law next month? G. Geronimo, Rappler, Manila.